I use an FHA loan to buy a home here in 2022. I'm gonna give you 3 really great reasons. Number 1, FHA loans offer expanded guidelines to get more people qualified. So you can have a higher debt to income ratio and you can have a lower credit score and still you can get into a home using an FHA loan. Number 2, rates are actually lower on FHA loans than they are on conventional loans. So you're going to get a lower interest rate naturally, and it's actually a little cheaper in most cases to buy down that interest rate on the FHA loan than it would be on a conventional. And number 3, this is actually my favorite. It's called the FHA Streamline Refinance. So we all know rates are a little bit on the high side right now, and we all know they're going to come down because recession always indicates rates jump, then they come down. So if you use an FHA loan right now to purchase a home within the next 1 or 2 years, you're going to qualify for an FHA Streamline Refinance, which means you can lower the interest rate on your loan without having to do a full underwrite. You don't have to get an appraisal done. It's very non-invasive, and it actually lets you just simply adjust that loan, and you can even get a payment reprieve of 1 to 2 months depending on when you close on that refinance. So there's a lot of benefits to using the FHA loan product right now. Reach out, would love to tell you more and help you discover the right mortgage strategy that's going to work for you.